Hi, welcome to ExamPadi. Our topic today is Family Health Part 2. In this video, we will 1. Explore food and nutrition. 2. Enumerate the classes and sources of food. And 3. Highlight the importance of a balanced diet. Family health is a state in which the family is a resource for the day-to-day living and health of its members. It is incomplete without discussing the terms food and nutrition. Food is a composite mixture of various ingredients that are consumed for nutrition. On the other hand, nutrition connotes a dynamic process in which swallowed food is utilized by the human body for nourishment. All plants and creatures need food to survive. Nutrition is a basic human need and a prerequisite for a healthy human life. It is a process of taking in food and converting it into energy and other vital nutrients required for life. Nutrition is also the biochemical and physiological process by which an organism uses food to support its life. It provides organism with nutrients which can be metabolized to create energy and chemical structures. It is a critical part of health and development, and a proper diet is essential for a very early age of life for growth, development, and active life. Food is one of the most important things for living things to have in order to provide energy and development, sustain life, and promote growth. Food plays a significant role in promoting health and preventing diseases. It is composed of essential components that an organism consumes and digests in order to maintain health, including carbs, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. What are the importance of food? The importance of food is as follows. Number 1, food keeps us alive and gives us energy. 2, it helps to build the body and repair worn-out tissues. 3, food helps to boost immunity. 4, food plays an important role in the promotion of health and prevention of diseases. 5, food gives strength to the body to accommodate medicine safely and to also metabolize them after its action in the body. The two main sources of food are plants and animals. One of these two sources provides all the food that we eat. Let's discuss plants as a source of food. We obtain a large portion of food that we eat from plants, trees, crops, bushes, leaves, and occasionally even roots. Fruits and vegetables are the most readily apparent examples of the foods we obtain from plants. Crops are another example of the plant-based food. These are the seeds of the crop plants, such as rice, wheat, millet, barley, and so on. They are harvested once we groom them. The majority of the processed foods we eat, like wheat, bread, biscuits, and many others, come from plants. Other examples of foods that come from plants include 1. Fruits, such as mangoes, apples, oranges, bananas, and so on. 2. Leaves. Examples are water leaves, pumpkin leaves, spinach, coriander, and so on. 3. Roots. Examples include turnips, potatoes, carrots, and so on. 4. Seeds. Examples are rice, wheat, corn, and nuts. Let's discuss animals as a source of food. Our nourishment does not only come from plants. Animals, primarily cattle, provide a significant amount of the food we eat. Cattle are farm animals that are raised primarily to be killed for human consumption. There are few examples of such meats, and its sources are 1. Chicken. 2. Pork or bacon that comes from pigs. 3. Lamb's meat or mutton. 4. Beef from cows and buffaloes, and venison from deer. Seafood, including fish and other sea life such as crabs, lobsters, oysters, and so on. Classes of food. Food can be grouped according to the nutrients they contain and the functions they perform. These include 1. Carbohydrates. These are the basic food groups that play an important role in a healthy life. And sources of carbohydrates are rice, cassava, wheat, maize, millet, potato, and so on. The functions of carbohydrates are as follows. 1. It provides the human body with the energy to carry out voluntary activities such as walking, jumping, and so on. 2. It helps to maintain body temperature, metabolic activity, and growth support. The second class of food is protein, and sources of protein are meat, fish, groundnuts, milk, egg, melon, and so on. The functions of proteins are 1. Proteins repair worn-out tissues. 2. It promotes growth. 3. It gives us energy when carbohydrate is lacking in the body. 4. Proteins help in the growth of hair and the development of the brain. 5. Protein in the form of enzymes and hormones is required for a wide range of vital metabolic processes in the body. The third class of food is fats and oil. Fats can be characterized as solid or semi-solid triglycerides. Sources of fat are palm oil, groundnut oil, margarine, butter, and so on. The functions of fats and oil are 1. It acts as an insulator and it prevents heat loss. 2. It forms part of the cell membrane. 3. It cushions body organs. 4. Fats serve as an essential wellspring of energy. 5. It lowers the risks of arthritis, Alzheimer's disease, and cancer. The fourth class of food is vitamins. Vitamins are imperative for warding off infections. And sources of vitamins are leafy vegetables, fruits like oranges, pawpaw, egg, liver, palm oil, and so on. The functions of vitamins are as follows. 1. It promotes healthy body and growth in children. 2. Prevents diseases. 3. Vitamins offer assistance for the recuperation of the body. The fifth class of food is mineral salts. Mineral salts are fundamental for the functions of some parts of the body. The functions of mineral salts are 1. It aids the formation of bones, teeth, blood, meat, and liver. 2. Mineral salts controls digestion. 3. They help in reinforcing bones and assisting the nerve signal transmission, keeping up the sound circulation, stains, and muscle withdrawal and unwinding. The sixth class of food is water. Water is totally essential for the adequate functioning of each framework in the human body. Sources are rain, spring, river, well, and so on. Functions of water are 1. It aids digestion and prevents dehydration. 2. Water serves as a protector and ointment. 3. It helps in absorption. 4. It regulates body temperature and reproduction. What is balanced diet? A balanced diet, also known as a healthy diet, consists of a variety of different types of food and provides adequate amounts of the nutrients necessary for good health. It also contains the proper quantity and proportion of the required nutrients to maintain good health. The importance of a balanced diet are 1. Balanced diet keeps us healthy. 2. Healthy diet prevents malnutrition. 3. It helps to protect the body from diseases. Remember, we are what we eat, and that is why it is important to eat healthily. We have come to the end of this lesson. Attempt the following questions to test your knowledge of the topic. 1. Explain the following terms: nutrition, food, and balanced diet. 2. Enumerate the classes of food and discuss 3 of their functions. 3. Outline 3 importance of food and a balanced diet. Thank you for studying about Family Health Part 2 with me. I'll see you in our next video. Bye.